to do justice to the video that I promised that I will. I have been postponing it because, you know, each time I want to react on this video, I will see some news that I cannot just keep. You understand? And for me to avoid making the same mistake again today, I decided not to, you know, visit some platform, especially PM platform this evening. I did not go there. I followed fundraising with other broadcasters because once I go to PM platform, I must have something to say. You understand? So I just decided not to do it now. So this night, this is later our broadcast. Before then, like the video. If you come in, don't just wait until I ask you to do. Please like the video, okay? It's very, very important to do. Unless you don't like what we're saying, of course, you don't need to bother yourself. But if you do, please like and comment. Tell us what you think about what we're going to discuss. Tell us where you're watching from. This is a Saturday night, late hour for that matter. So some of you is in your you are in your morning already, Sunday morning. Some of you are still in, you know, afternoon or evening time, Saturday. So it depends on where you are watching from. But please and please like the video, okay? Comment. I want to know how many of us that are awake at the moment. And the first person is no other than Chidu Bemu Emma. The truth must be spoken. That is our brother here, and others are coming. Others I can see that the view are not adding up. So please don't forget to like the video. Like I said, we are not going to waste much time. Let's start immediately, okay? Because the video is quite long, and maybe let's see if you can finish it or not. Thank you so much as you do so.
Those states.
Okay, let's
states. Okay, to those states. So, I don't know, almost something state again. Today, I think I was all states. They count people from other states and another states and Imo State and call them all. I think, you know. How far about the state of plate? Is it functioning? Who is their governor? Or who is representing all the states? All the provinces of plate? How far? He is getting referendum in Finland. Create a country in Africa. So, are you telling me that Catalonia to referendum in Germany or in UK, we're not creating?
Catalonia. Every slight move at all, just little move, Catalonia, all of them Catalonia. And do you have Fulani in Catalonia? I mean, in Spain today, is there any community known as that speak Fufu there? Do you have any nomadic in Catalonia? I mean, some of our brothers some of them need to dash to other nation, honestly.
Catalonia in Spain. Okay, take your emotion out. Okay, face the reality.
The truth of the matter is that he's not taking emotion here. What he's saying, the reality you are facing is money. You don't need to, just like the video I played in our live broadcast before. Somebody will tell you that this person is causing more harm than anything. They will do everything they can to hide their real feelings, the thing that makes them, that anger them about that particular individual. Your anger about PM, not only you, many of you, is no other than finance. Why must you be the one raising fundraising? Who are you giving account of this fundraising that you are raising? Then they ask them, all this one that they have been raising all this while, can you tell us about it? Because Master Makani is trying to, you know, make sure that his hands are clean by giving you, you know, the privilege to know how money flow in and flow out, and place all of you on a salary base. Some of you are not even, you have not even been employed or anything, but you are earning more than people that are even receiving salary. And that, like I said, I'm not here to talk about the foundation and structures of IPOB. But some of you, when you make comments, you actually pushed us to touch something that we don't want to discuss. That's just the fact.
Face the reality. Face the reality. Mazin not going to say that. I am coming back. And I'm coming with help. Somebody already are actually taking money. Monkey they walk and put the shop. I only did go.
Okay, so did you guys allow him to come back with hell? Did he go back now with hell? Is it his fault that he went back the way he went? No. But who is responsible for him going back without that hell? Are you trying to tell us that you guys quickly push him there to Kenya for him to be kidnapped because you were scared of this hell that he talked about? For you to quickly mention that I'm coming back with hell, sounds to me that you may not even feel, you are not feeling comfortable with that word hell that you want to bring back with. Ostino TV, my brother, I see you. Thank you for your comment. I can't take your comment for granted, my dear. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Chidubemu, okay. Mariel Francis Nelson. Good morning, sir. Good morning to you, my brother. Where are you watching from? I think this is the first time I'm seeing a comment from you. You know, one thing about this, our late hour broadcast is that it gives me a chance to know who is actually following us. I mean, people that are not, maybe you are following, but maybe I don't have chance to go through your comments when we are maybe in the daytime. At night like this, I pay attention to comment section more. And this another thing is that you can be on your bed, you may be on your bed watching us, and we can spend the hour together. Anyway, let's continue.
Okay. All those things only that is coming to pass. Oh yeah. But he said those of us we should remain focused.
Okay, Lagos. Okay, my brother. Stay safe.
If not the activities of Chika Paul Dozier, China Samanketa, Tony Wambo to lose Bumike, us Nabai. I want someone like Simon Eba. It's because of their activities that create Simon Eba.
And you know what he's trying to tell you here. You know, when you hear them talk like this, that if not the Chike Dozier China Sawanketa, according to him, I'm not calling China Sawanketa or anything. No, I'm just trying to. I said I'm not going to China Sawanketa as if he's Wanketa truly. Okay, so I'm not calling anybody names, all right? I'm not calling anybody names because this is not what I'm here for. If I want to do a broadcast where I'll bash anybody, I will do that. I'm not saying that I'm afraid of calling you what you are, no. But this broadcast, I want to be focused on why we are here. One thing he said, one thing I want you to mark here is this. He's trying to tell you that if not because of these people's mistakes, who is Simon Ekpa? Okay, now let's bring it down a bit. Let's take don't forget about what these people have been doing. Let's assume that all of us, everybody, all of them are doing very, very well to make sure the Biafra is here. Between the work of Chinas Awolu, Agbayama, whatever he called them, and all these people that he mentioned, and PM, who do you think that is doing the right thing? I mean, that have the mindset of getting you that freedom. What this guy is here to do is protect the structure. Just so, and how can you be busy protecting structure without moving forward? Then you will turn around to blame, politicians for protecting the constitution and the Nigerian government without adding any new thing to make sure that the country move forward, right? Are you not the same thing? It's the same. People that don't want to let go, that don't want to, look for a better way to move forward. But we want to be stagnant because you are afraid of this person could be the one making it, making things happen more than you. Mas Nnamdi Kanu is the only person that knows what freedom is all about among all these people that you are seeing today. He is the one that laid the steps. PM cannot talk down on him. That's just a fact. Because he is the one that gave PM the light to move forward. He started preaching without adding any violence, anything at all. Making sure that our voice is being heard, and he makes sure that his voice is there, just like PM is making sure that his voice is there. So everything that he's doing, some of us don't even understand what PM is doing. Using his personal platform to bring you the information about what is going on, which none of these people can do. People that are afraid of showing their face. I give you credit, even though you are yapping nonsense, as long as you can show your face and it simply means that you you are somehow man enough than other people. No, who knows the face of China Sawol or Emeka Gift and Co. The other one they say called what is the name of this guy? Um, the media, the one that normally they said is what is name? What do they even call it? Powerful? The one that says he's more powerful. I mean, can you show us his image, his picture, apart from the one that the PM published? We they have not denied that. We I believe that he is, but why don't you put that your picture on your profile? I mean, broadcast live and people will see you. They're hiding that face simply means they're not on. Some people may say, oh, they're hiding it because they don't want the Nigerian government to go after them. No, go after them that they what for what? But the problem is that their intention is to do some Kuruke movement, so that once they do that Kuruke movement, nobody will you yourself that think they're fighting for you will not recognize them. That's just the fact. Not they are hiding their face from Biafra, not from Nigerian government.
It's because they did not obey Onyen's instruction. It's great Samoneta. That is the fact. Then now, sometimes we meet some people from different continents and they will tell you they like to put a story like a story of Moses and Joshua. But I ask them, if Mazinalgan is Moses, Samoneta is Joshua, who is Ojuku? Who is Ojuku? If you want to use that story, that man says the
my difference between you now in Jawas. Ojuku are talking about. Nobody is disputing that his role, his effort, everything have done. Nobody is saying that Ojuku, apart from Mijele, because I said nobody, I forgot that they will also have somebody who hates Ojuku well. But what I'm trying to say is this: when people say that Moses and Monepa and MNK is like Joshua and Moses, like you said, but because your mind is you have this kind of darkness in your mind, because all you want is money, flow of money and currency. That's the only thing you call money. When people say that Mazagano is Moses and Samanapa is the Joshua and anyone you can face, this is just a word of appreciation. This is just word of to give them accolades, to give them nobody is giving rank of who achieve and who is not achieving here. Nobody does that. But because your mind is so much focused on this structure, and one of the reasons why you people are talking about this structure is because you are involved. You think that your rank is more higher when you support this US and all that. So it's all about your rank, what you benefit, not about what Biafran would be, how Biafran would be, how to achieve Biafran. You don't want to jeopardize this opportunity because to you have been recruited. You are now somehow your rank is going up. You can now place a call to Kanunta who happen to be very close to Master Khan. You can hear the so-called secret information about the way forward. When they call meeting, when you appear, people will know that his message is here. So this kind of a little popularity, you don't want to lose it. So that's why some of them don't even want Biafra to come, because once it comes, how can I? Now they are calling me coordinator. If Biafra come now, this coordinator will just disappear like that. I want to be, I love it when people address him as a coordinator, European rep. So this title is actually a problem. Because when you give a title to people who have never, they don't dream of anything leadership in their life, they will capitalize on that, and they don't want anything to bring that office down. Because to them, Biafran in exile somehow will collapse all this get together they are doing in Europe, especially after the kidnapping of Master Mandakan. Maz, yes, Maz, Maz, I can hear you. Maz, what Chineke? Yes, Maz Chineke. I'm calling. I want to know you have to maintain this structure, command and control. You are enjoying command and control because you see yourself that you are in position to command there, isn't it? If you are the one that fought the Department of Control, I mean, they're controlling you, I will be shouting this command and control. We know those things. That is all about your personal gain, finances, and title. Without it, Max Mechanic is the only person among people that can collapse anything and maintain his, ideology to achieve Biafra. If you Ikenga is today, that's why he today when he feel that this US are not saying what he want, he will turn to Ifa Yoba and telling he will start telling you about how you can make this government to work. The best thing to do now is to achieve this, to achieve that. I know that I will talk a lot on this video. That's why I post the video entirely first. So in case if you are here expecting me to allow you to play, I will play in it, but not as often as you expect, because the video is already on the page. So you cannot. I believe most of you have watched it. So we are here to do a reaction video. So I'm just telling you now so that you will not feel bored that I'm not. Why don't you allow him to play? The video is there in public. You can play it as long as you want. So let's continue.
Okay. Now, I'm asking them to come up now, honorable and awesome, because we cannot withstand the truth. You can't withstand the truth.
This is the part that provoked our brother Freeman. This part is when he said that also again, you are the one that's supposed to be hiding. I'm telling you gospel truth. And I don't even know his position, his stand in Biafran struggle before, until the first time he made a broadcast with Freeman. I published that video here. Then one of our brothers from US, I guess, called me and told me that, oh, look, that I'm getting it wrong. That this guy, because I was regarding him as a member of the US, that this guy is not actually part of the US now. Maybe that he's part of Kanunta. No wonder. And if you watch here, he's here bashing on Chida Saworu and Paul Agbayim and who again? Chike Doziem. These three men, you dare not talk bad on them in the US, no matter what you think you are, unless if you are the one that negotiating with them and Nigerian government, then they will allow you to continue what you're doing. But as long as you are not, once you touch these few people, including Ikenga, if you talk down on them, then you will be expelled. In fact, if they expel you, that means you are prayerful. If not, if you are in homeland or somewhere where they can say to Chukwuka Brahma, that would be the next option. Anyway, let's continue.
That was the truth. You can't withstand the truth. So don't ever, whatever the group you want to belong, you have the right, belong to the group, defend them. But don't cross carpets or try to compare Moses and Joshua. No? Was Moses and can even compare. In the whole world self. Simon about that, he have disbanded DOS. He have disbanded ESN. What are you talking? In expand ESN. And end of doesn't know they change the Biafra flag.
I cannot. This one changing of Biafran flag, I did not hear where PM said that. I'm not saying that he did not say. Maybe PM may suggest that, okay, I think that when Biafran comes, we negotiate and see if they do some little touches in our flag. I believe that's what PM cannot. PM is not the kind of person that will come and say, boy, I will do this. I know. If you doubt me, go and check. Do you know how Nero Febu pushed PM? Pushed him to follow Idu. Instead of PM to push Nelly, just like that because of Idu, he, as a wise man, he told Nelly that we are not here that this is not their time to talk about Idu. Because he knows what he's doing. He don't want to be so eager to say, okay, you do no. When Emeka Livingston pushed him to talk about designing of Biafran currency, who will be in the picture? Is it me? Is it him? Is it them? somebody suggests that we should put PMP to them. There's, instead of them to focus on the person that made that suggestion, they focus on PM, that PM actually accepted that. I mean, some of us need to check ourselves, to be honest with you. Like this guy here, he's not talking. How you said you disband DOS. So is DOS now? Is it disbanded now or not? If you say he did not disband DOS, why are you not working with DOS? Even you have ended DOS in your own little way by distancing yourself from them. And you said that PM refused to take instruction from Mas Namdekane because PM said that he can't take instruction from him because he's in the hand of enemies. The same thing that you guys are committing, even including Kanunta, his brother. Because if you say you are not disobeying Mas Namdekane, why don't you start taking instruction from a Chike? Because that is instruction that Mas Namdekane placed in the according to your structure. But you guys have departed to join in NAIA and Kanunta, just family get together. I mean, these people don't have, the way they think sometimes, shock me. You say you are accusing another person that he refused to take instruction from Mas Namdekane, but you yourself are committing the same sin at the same time. Because if that structure must be obeyed at all costs, why are you not taking instruction from Chike, who happened to be the second in command according to the structure? Or you should keep on obeying him until Mas Namdekane comes out, like you guys are accusing PM. Why are you not obeying him? But you have ganged up and formed your own group immediately. And that they want to take money from so person in the US. They want you in IPOB. If Mas Namdekane is here, do you think you have say about who take money or who did not take money in the IPOB? You don't have the right. All of you are now trying to protest on something that you are not even in position to protest. Ordinarily, you are not supposed to comment on finance. Me and you know that. But you are here championing, leading the group that because Kanunta somehow is pushing you and trying to be, another leader. But I don't want to focus on Kanunta because a lot is yet to be revealed about his activities so far. I was thinking that he's normal until he began to make some posts. There was a day that PM said that PM commented something, posted something about Lego team. How they are, a kind of they are supporting Lego team and making sure that everything. He was there. He made a post, quickly made a post that you don't talk what you don't know, that nobody you are a liar, you are this, you are that. He called PM liar. I can't forget that post. That is the day I used my red pen and underline Kanunta. Not even when he about what everybody accused him about his quietness after the kidnapping of Mas Namdekane. That one is still pending. I have not used that against him. But you see that day that he called him a liar because what PM said has not to warrant. It did not warrant you to call him a liar for anything. What he said was kind of, if you really love Mas Namdekane and if you think that Lego team are doing well, you should have appreciated what he said. He did not tell you that I am here to tell the Lego team what to do. He did not say that. But you guys feel uncomfortable. The only thing that you people are, offended about him, which you guys have not come out and demand for once and tell the whole world. I am angry because PM is he called fundraising and people respond. That's the problem. If these people know how to switch everybody's phone so that you will not receive any message from PM, they would have done that. Because they believe that everything that this money that people are contributing to equip our army should have go through NAIA, and from there people will take their salaries. People that are holding 6 months salary, 1 year salary. As Nigeria is discussing their minimum wage, these guys, they are discussing their own minimum wage as well. Indian freedom. They'll be talking about their own minimum wage. You man, he's the kikitana. Mazi, no boss will go now. Who I forget because now because the cost of living now is very, very high in the whole world. Maazị na okay ka akpọ European rep, ka akpọ African rep, ka akpọ coordinator nke a, coordinator nke ọzọ, negotiate ego ga na-adị wajam. None of them have come out to debunk they are not receiving salary. That's for 3 years, so going 4 years now. Nakwa account.
I can see nobody's coming up because this smart is made. You come up, just challenge. Then come and put your face. Can I give you the put again? Because before now, a lot of people are telling me, Mazi, why not to stay? We talk about it. Are you afraid? Afraid of who?
Now here is when he thinks that everybody is panicking, nobody wants to challenge him. Until Freeman appeared, then he withdrew him back and in. You know what?
So
wait, I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Come up and talk and come and defend whatever you want to defend. Can I give you the opportunity? Can you go
Mo.
Can whoever you want to attack? Tell them let him come and say, "I'm this mess, no man." Let them come up. Bring that your question. Let's see. You know, I see the way forward. If you want the way forward, listen to Mazin Nandikano. If you want the way forward, listen to Mazin Nandikano. If you want to listen to Mazin Nandikano, how? Listen from MK legal team. Listen from him. Listen from President Meme, the message from our leader. Listen to Counter, the message from our leader. That is the way forward. Because me and you, we cannot do it. You cannot, me and you, me and you, we cannot do it. We cannot do what partner is doing. We cannot do it. So listen to the message from Martin Nandekano. That is the way forward. Or you step aside and join whatever you want to join. Don't bring these two people together. Only once in time and come about Sonia Abalawa. I have the video, but no, it's verified, no, saying that even Martin Nandekano fans popular. He's getting popular more than Maz. That someone is getting more popular than Maz Nandekano. He's getting more fans. Look at more young. I was in Canada. See that now. Now all Nilo, no more going into pool cloud. More than Simon and even in Finland, except the land. I will present one video of town hall meeting. Only in America. Now Texas is no. Who want town hall meeting? Go and see the population. You are comparing Martin Nandekano and somebody else. Because I know a lot of you guys are with emotion because.
Okay, if you anybody compare Martin Nandekano, like I've not watched Adadorama say what you said, but if she said that is wrong, and if whoever that said what you said just now, it is wrong. Comparison of Martin Nandekano and Simon Ekpa should stop. I don't support that. You know why? All this nonsense that these people like this guy is talking now has to do with Martin Nandekano. Say, why am I covering his face? No, I went out to bring something, to bring water. So just hold on. I'm not covering his face. You have seen his face before now. So anybody comparing Martin Nandekano and PM now, it is wrong. I mean, I can't support that because Martin Nandekano is not out. And kidnapping of Martin Nandekano have created more anger and strength at the same time to Biafrans. People who were not even paying, people that are not paying attention to what Martin Nandekano was saying now, because of the kidnapping of Martin Nandekano, they are actually paying attention. And I have not seen, like I said, anybody in Biafran government in exile said what this guy said. I'm not saying they have not, but I'm telling you that I personally have not heard that, I have not listened to that, I have not seen that, I have not, nothing at all. So if at all, by any chance, if anybody compare PM and Martin Nandekano, that person is actually not for Biafra. Why? Because you are not doing Biafra good by comparing two of them. these two people are doing the same thing. That they have our people in their hearts. They have everybody in their mind. So you comparing them is not like trying to create two rivalry in a family. It doesn't work that way. Let the rivalry be among people that are following. If you like this, this guy that is talking now, you prefer he said that you should listen to Kanunta. You should listen to, he mentioned few people just now, right? So no more Mazamaka, because to you, what the argument that you have been putting out is that people should listen to Mazamaka alone. But somehow you are now encouraging people to listen to Kanunta, that is the way forward. To you, that is the way forward because we believe in them. Then I said no. I will listen to Mazamaka. I will not listen to Kanunta. Then I will listen to PM because that is the way. So you using Kanunta to get Biafra. I'm using CPM to get Biafra. But both of us agree on Mazamaka. How about that? You're not comfortable with it, right? And why you choose Kanunta is because his brother. His brother Thomas Namagan, who told you that because of his brother, that simply means he can do everything and get it right. You think that's how it works? Who told you that? Where's the brother to David, King David in the Bible? Where's the brother to Elijah or Elisha? Where's the brother to Moses? So you can't compare that. You can't compare. Even if you try to be like your brother, you can't be just like your brother. That's not how it works. So okay, Chidubem said that Adadorama did not even say that he's a top fan follower of Adadorama. You see, somebody that followed her closely can tell you that she did not say that kind of thing. And anybody with his right sense will not start with, okay, we are comparing Mass Namakan. No. But actually, well, actually, not anyway, I will be right back, my people. Just hold on.
What Nigerian states have done to us, everybody is too emotional, so that when we hear, I will attack Nigerian government, I will do this, I will do that. Yeah, yes. But it's okay. The only thing is that he has established his movement and he has taken responsibility of his movement. That is fine and that is good. That's the only thing. But don't compare Mazin and Kano with any comparison at all. Nobody can compare with Mazin and Kano at all. Nobody. In the history of Biafra, even our evil people's general have not done evil in terms of to unite. Remember, people's general somebody will respect, even to the death. What you don't know everything. But Mazin and Kano, you would make about far with that now. After the Biafra war, a lot of people scattered. A lot of people making it scattered. Some people deny their origin.
I was thinking that you wanted to make it better. You wanted to, at least for once in your broadcast, you wanted to make sense. But this one in Akoketamba, Mazin Namakan is a great man. Like I said, I don't support comparison. All right, but here you are comparing Mazin Namakan with Ojukwu. Nobody have done what Ojukwu did. Nobody. If you like, say it Mondo Kanko. Nobody. Mazin Namakan have not done what Ojukwu did. PM have not done it. What Ojukwu did. What he have done, he have not. Forget that. I'm telling you. In the time that Ojukwu did what he did, no social media, not even handphone, nothing, and he was able to preach to Biafrans in the presence of the Zeke, who claimed that he brought independence for Nigeria and all that. He defeated all these people and was able to bring our people together and lead them to war. In the presence of Britain, British people were very much closer in Nigeria than now. They are still there, but now they have planted their own agents. Before, during the time of Ojukwu, they don't need the agent. They will come present and they will be doing it with their hands in your presence. Which, when you watch some of the videos of Biafran Nigerian Civil War, you will see them moving with the AK-47. So what are you talking about? And you are here. He had not done in Ojukwu, even Ojukwu did not do it. Do you know how much? No, ask any Igbo man. Who purchased it? Did you hear that Ojukwu gather any fundraising? He spent his wealth. Okay, for how criminal-minded you guys can be. Like I said, I hate comparison. In this 24th century, Mahatma Gandhi have done a very, very, very marvelous work. So you criticizing people for comparing PM with the Mahatma Gandhi, which I support you, then you will turn around, start comparing Mahatma Gandhi with Ojukwu. Even when he said that, it will be a problem. Serious problem.
Deny their Igbos, deny their Biafrans. But when you know Mahatma Gandhi, bring everybody together. Everybody together. With everybody together. It's not chicken calling those years of the Zimbabwe so you don't need to build. Which is what American is failing now. Please tell us the way forward. The way forward, listen if we are.
Mazi Namorikano try to bring everybody together. But that effort is yet to be succeed. It's not yet successful. Me and you know. It is not yet successful. And he have done his best to even make an attempt. Do you understand? To even make an attempt. So you don't just wake up. Thank you so much for super chat, Semi Esco. Thank you for super chat. You don't just say that. Do you understand? You don't just open your mouth and say that. Like I said, what Mahatma Gandhi have done is very, very good. In this 24th century, it is not easy. In the presence of the murderous people that claim that they are leading Nigeria at this present age, it's not easy. You understand? It's not easy. What PM is doing now, it is not easy. But you see these three individuals, you don't compare them. Remember, Wasrik also gathered his own crowd also. If you want to add it, you can also add it. Wasrik. Wasrik tried his best also. Just that, you know, I was very, very angry about Wasrik until I heard what happened to him. Then I ran turned that my anger to Oba family. That's why when I hear if I bind the Oba family, I feel so bitter. Because I don't think, you know, that's why it is good in this life. Let me say this. In this life we are living, if something bad happened to you, don't keep it for yourself. People may think that what you are doing, you are sabo, you are this, you are that. It's always good for you to share your own side of the story. You understand? So somehow I have a kind of a little bit relief when Wasrik is being mentioned, knowing that the tactics they use is to kidnap. When they put him in jail, they bribed his commanders simply because they want him not to talk about Biafra anymore, and the Oba took those commanders to meet him in prison. That's what the story I was told. I was not there. Okay, and Wasrik seeing his commander, people that when he remember them in the prison, he will feel that he still have men out there. My men I will not disappoint my men. And they brought those men to you in prison to tell you that they have hands up. Then we are alone fighting for what? That's what happened to him. And they forced him to sign something negative, which led him to where it is today. Maybe at the beginning, the agenda he has was so decent. That I'm just saying. That is what they're using. They wanted to do to Mahatma Gandhi today. Bring him in the prison. Make sure that you use those men that is out there that watching outside there. Frustrate them and bring them for him to see them in the prison or in the detention, and by so doing, he will be handicapped, and he will come back without any hope anymore. And to prove to you that that's his tactics, the people that he relied on are not telling that they're waiting for him to come out, challenging him to come out without working for him to come out. And for him to come out is that he must sign that you don't want to fight anymore. So when you hear them telling you, Mahatma Gandhi is still our leader, we must keep this structure. We must keep it for him to come out to continue fighting. The question is, when is he coming out? And how will he come out? If he comes out, will he be able to fight anymore? Without you fighting to show that you can do it without him. Then people that hold him will say, wow, holding this person will not stop this thing. No. Common sense. You don't need to call any prophet or prophetess to tell you this. It's called common sense. But you are here telling us, Kanunta Kanu you're talking about. Have you seen Kanunta Kanu broadcasting about a way forward of Biafra? That's why it's not. What he's doing is to make sure that Neniaya and the account is intact. Nobody is withdrawing, nobody is away. I mean, I'm not against you managing the money. In fact, I don't want to talk about money. But people like you, I can't stand it. I can't stand it. If you did not talk about PMO here, do you think I will react to this? I will just keep quiet. You just do your do.
If you are IPOB member, even IPOB family member, listening to his son of Martin and Ghana, let's wait for what? If you are not, listening to whoever is your leader. You know, not myself, listen to what's leaking. You know, not better to the like listen to him. But at the end of the day, I am mother.
Really?
At the end of the day,
Imagine making such videos, such tracks that you are making, and the Mazan kind of comes out and was very happy with the PM. Imagine, have you thought of it? Maybe you don't. But if Mazan kind of come out and say that PM is this, is that, start talking like you people, then I will say, wow, we have been deceived all these years. I'm telling you gospel truth. That will be my response. But if he comes out and, you know, if you come out and keep quiet, if you do not even appreciate PM, appreciate Biafrans, I may not even talk, you know, see him somehow. I may just keep quiet as well. But if you think somehow, and I believe that Kanunta is using this one. If you never bring a go about.
Way forward. No, don't be asking what the way forward. The way forward, whatever you belong, if you belong to Simon Eba, listen to him. If you belong to IPOB, listen to our leader Mazin Nankan, Supreme Leader Mazin Nankan. If you belong to myself, listen to what's leaking. If you belong to any other one, listen to their leader. That's all. But remember, ask us to follow Simon Eba and share his program. This is something people don't know or go to primary school. Look at somebody there now. But remember, Mazin Nankan ask us to follow Simon Eba and share his video. Very important. Yes. Oh, yeah, look here now. I must look here. In the fact, over there. But on social consequence, and this thing, go and follow. Of the social now. About what is this guy? What is this guy? The only guy that still the main consistency. I forget this guy name. Man's not going to say, go and listen to him too. And other people now that fed by their side, fed by
he said that Mayegu is the only one that remained consistent. So PM he did not remain consistent. So what PM is doing is different from what he was doing. Is that what you think? Ego game mother. Money. Aye. Now wow, Igbo people.
Oh, you see, go and listen to them too. So no, you see, go and listen to somebody that is bringing a new dimension. It doesn't make any difference with what you are saying today. If Martin can praise it today and tomorrow you change, so we expect people not to talk about it because only to say we should listen to you. That's not right. So if we say go and listen to that person, fine and good, listen to that person. But when that person defects from what Onyendu is telling you to do, or what Onyendu expecting to do, you are expecting me, a person like me, not to talk about it. Do you know how many people used to say you should go and listen to? Is it only Simon Eba? That's not true. See, man.
How did he deviate from what Onyendu? What do you know that Onyendu? What is it that Onyendu wants to said you should do this? I know if this question is being thrown to you now, first thing you said that he told you to stop sit at home, so that Kanunta and other people will now rejoice. And the reason why, like I said, all this thing is about personal interest. One of the reasons why Mazin Kanu siblings were very eager to make sure that sit at home stopped is to see if word of Mazin Kanu, their brother, is still relevant in our land. That's all they want to know. But the impact of that stopping of sit at home and what it will bring, they don't care about it. They're not thinking about that part. Whereas DOS want to stop sit at home, not because They don't know the impact. They understand the impact, but they want to make sure that PM, statement should be invalid, so that the contribution and family meeting around the world will keep on going and will not jeopardize the source of income. Minus income, all of them will be among the PM. They will be clapping for him. Minus finance. If PM is okay, Kanunta Kanu, we have raised so amount of money. Can you call Nenia to so that he can confirm this money that you are putting in the account? You will see them that Biafrans, Master Kanu told us you should make sure everything that PM said must stand. I'm just telling you the fact. If PM said today that before Biafran government in exile will do anything, they must go and beg Kanunta Kanu and Nenia to sign money out. Then he will come out to organize the fundraising. After raising the money, then he will not send it to Kanunta Kanu. By now, word even nothing. I'm telling you gospel truth, because Chike does them, and they will use that money first to maintain structure. Do you remember when he came when that time? If he is streaming, he will be streaming in his shop. When last did you see him stream from his shop, like where you have a lot of woman hair, expensive hair? Are you still seeing that kind of thing anymore? No, now. I'm not saying that he's done in his business, but I'm saying, when money is flowing, anybody can do and don't do. Just take it that way. I don't want to further it.
Enough. Or if you want to come in, I say the name, come in. Be man enough. Is it only Simon Eber going to go and listen to? It's not only Simon Eber. A lot of them. Both my faith organ, where's faith organ today? A lot of them. He did not ask us to follow my.
So if PM, he'd say you can follow PM, right? You agree. Then, and other people that he asked to go and follow, all of them have disappeared. Is that not a testament that PM is actually the person that he told you to go and follow because he knows him? And go and listen to what he said when he told people to go and listen to him. He did not tell you once, he did not tell you two. Then after saying that thing, you yourself, you have been following Master McCann before PM joined the Biafran agitation, right? Those of you who have been broadcasting. Then Master McCann bypass you, bypass Kanunta, bypass all of you, and pick PM to be the one to organize fundraising. I hope you understand. He is the one organizing fundraising. When Dele Momodu interviewed Mazen Namodekano, where is PM? When PM interviewed Mazen Namodekano on his own platform, where were you? When this man in Africa, this what is it, David Matanka or something like that? I forgot that African media, one independent TV station in Africa, I think in Uganda or something. Is it Uganda or Kenya? When he interviewed Mazen Namodekano, he went there with the PM. What I'm trying to tell you is that among all those things, all these things you are saying, PM, you comparing PM with the fate of girl and other people is laughable. And mind you, Mazen Namodekano said, go and listen to that. He said that not follow. He said that you should watch. You can listen to people should go and listen to Mayegu, that he's doing wonderfully well. Why did he say that? Mayegu is doing putting some analysis about how Nigerian government, how corrupt they are. Mayegu is not fighting for Dudu nation. Mayegu is not fighting for Biafra. But being the type of person Mazen Namodekano is, that every good things, gladdens his heart. He's the kind of person that like good things, just like PM. If you are doing good, no matter where you come from, even if you are from Sokoto, and you are saying the truth about the corruption, about the level of poverty in Nigeria, Mazen Namodekano we sing praise of you. It does not change anything. But you people, you only focus on your circle. and ignore whatever that happened elsewhere. That's difference. And like I said, rumor have it that I want to say rumor. Master prophet said that there was a time Master Kano told him that he wanted to say that he wanted to pick PM as his deputy after when Uchemethod left. That he himself told him no. If please, Biafrans, if you what I'm saying, and if you are aware of it, maybe if you watch that video, please comment so that it not be as if I'm the one saying it alone, or that only me listen to that. Master Prophet said that he told him, through his prophecy, okay, that no, he was scared of PM. All these things is what you people should gather together. Then I believe if you put some senses, if you think deep, you understand the handwriting on the wall. Master Gandhi is not fighting for Biafra to be relevant or famous. But you guys, because of what you are doing, you keep on watching. The man told you that he's tired of broadcasting, that he needs 100 men. Are you not part of the people that have been following him for years? And you are there. He told you that he did 100 men. That's an insult. Just like you went to somebody's house and the person said that, I wish maybe you went to somebody's house, and maybe you guys are let me just say you went to somebody's house and the person said that, I wish I have a visitor. You are sitting down in his house. He said, I wish I have a visitor. He's looking for a visitor. But you just visited his house. But he's looking for at least because it simply means that you don't have what it takes. I don't want to instigate problem between you and Moyen, but I'm just trying to tell you what it means. Oh yeah, all right. So let's not pretend that we know it all and nobody can tell us the truth. We also can see it. And remember, whether you belong to Raf Wazurike, you belong to Masno Gano, whether you belong to BLA, whether you belong to Oji, Innocent Oji, whether you belong to anybody, you are fighting for Biafrans, not for you. Now, Biafrans also know who is fighting for them. So no matter how busy you are dusting this structure with your broom and the packer, trying to dust it, that's this structure called Obanjara. That is your work. Keep on dusting, but Biafran knows what will benefit them. Listen to you and listen to PM. We already know the difference. All the night and day. So you should just think towards my brother.
But he said that he's doing a good job. Come. The link is there. I've sent the link before. Let me send you the link again. Look at the link again. Okay, in YouTube. Okay, look at the link again. Come and tell me. Oh, you don't mention a lot of people's names. Is it only Simon? That's all. So, Freeman, the link is there. Come in and defend. Please introduce yourself to Biafrans and bring your question, okay?
Yeah. Good night, good morning, Rafno Biafrans, wherever you're listening from. Yeah, we're in the program of Mazi Smith, live and direct. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, Mazi, you're welcome. No, whatever we're saying here today is not out of personal something or personal hate. It's to educate our people and slave our people to know the truth or not. And again, we don't need to insult, to make our point. We say things. We say things when you are saying things. I will allow you to say things to free yourself. What I want to say, you allow me to say something, okay? So people will follow us well. Okay, Mazi, you're welcome, Freeman. Yeah, let me mark your name. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So, Matt, go on. Don't wait pushing people. Go on.
Thank you very much, my brother. We all are Biafrans, and we believe in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of Madike 1. Nobody else. But Ilanya, like Mazi was behind the bar, and when you're behind the bar, you can't do anything.
Anthony, I see you.
Come on, go to this estimate, and then Udi will take it. you know, KJ Abu, KJ Yaka, KJ Gono, Bungipo, and that line also, that our compound, all I is very, very important for us. And the name was alone. Imona, you are going Imona, working more than then if you didn't do to now, you are into the KJ. Then I have to see an evidence until the ball later. In fact,
yeah. Okay. Is that answer?
Yes.
Okay. Let me repeat your question again. You said that in a family,
yes,
a father, if there is father, then
yes,
a father is there, then somewhere will not keep quiet to allow the enemy to do whatever to their father, right?
No, as in, let me repeat again. My question. In a family, and the father was alone, then the mother who just now saw that their family, now saw that their house, along line, it's not the father. Kenya, you know, Kenya, then Buriapo, or other house or that. All of her own, or that was say, okay, need to go buy, because on a while also, or to the more buy to that, can buy the other when you see somebody, so liar.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now I do understand what your question. Now, but first of all, it's a different thing in what you're trying to connect with. But let me answer you. Let me answer the question.
Just answer me.
They are somewhere fight with their blood to defend that property of their father. And again, somewhere again, if they are getting message with their father, they will also be fighting an instruction of their father given to them. Am I okay now?
Yes.
Two different answers can you go? Two different answers. How did they demand? They check everything. I don't know about the man. Nothing of them. I don't know about the man at all. Where we fight with the last drop of their blood to defend that property.
Thank you very much.
To defend that property. That was number one. Number two.
You know, we'll keep quiet, Oga. You know what? Most of these people, you have not been in the hands of Nigerian security agents. Like, if you fall victim of Nigerian army for once, if they have ever tortured you, what this thing you are saying now, you will not even say it. I'm just telling the gospel truth. If they torture you, once you have ever fall in their hand at all, you will not say all those things you are saying. So if your enemy holds you down and they're dealing with you the way they want, okay, you will be in their midst giving instruction out, just like somebody in the hands of kidnappers. And if they tell you to do this, you say no. Maybe kidnapper will tell you, okay, call your family. You tell them to bring money. Then you will call in their presence. You call them. You call your family and tell them, don't ever bring money here. That's the instruction given to you, right? Don't ever bring money here. You are in the hands of kidnappers. I'm not going to know what even name. Somebody is holding you down, holding you for ransom, and the only way out is to see. The only way to do anything is to make sure that you get out from that place. There's nothing you will say in their presence that will not favor them. That if that is not favor, if that is not going to favor them, you are gone. You understand? So whatever, if it's only what I believe get took nature, Kiana from age. Oh, what I if I'm not getting I also give game business to give you away. Deep down in your father's mind, all like that in him. Honestly, I go no come out to issue GTR. Can we achieve? No one we are protected no good very easy. Common sense. Man, you gonna folk man, bam for that matter. Na call again because sometimes we don't pay attention to all those things, but we need to do it now.
That man we also fight through the social demand they never.
Nan, did you he have confirmed what I just told you? That he will be waiting for the instruction from the man in the hands of his enemy. I just feel okay, maybe I went too far by saying that you have not been in the hands of Nigerian security agents. every human being can also, every normal human being, we understand that you don't make good sense that will favor you in the midst of your enemy. You have to distance yourself from, you have to free yourself first before any decision that will come out from that place will be against your father and against you. Because there's reason why they kidnapped your father in the first place. And that is the only thing. You expecting Master to be in DSS to tell you, you sit at home must continue in the presence of DSS that don't want to sit at home at all. Then you expect him to say this sit at home must continue. You will hear him when he said that the PM take instructions of the one that he favor him, and they reject the one that he think that he's not favoring him. Okay, full name mother. As if you have not been following Master Makano to know the kind of message that come from him. Like as you are listening to me now, tomorrow if I come live and say hello, welcome to my channel, once you hear my voice because you have listened to my video in the past, my previous videos, you will understand that it's me, that I'm the one that's talking. When the Master Makano says something, even if it's no deal, you will know that this Master Makano talking. That's how nature made it to be. If I listen, even this guy, I'm not following him, but a few days now, I watched his video. If he talk now, I will tell you that this is Sume's talking. Or this is our brother, Freeman. So someone that you know what that person can say. And what the person may not, like to say. You know that kind of thing.
Two questions, two answer.
Okay, look, fine. In my head, you before he did the man being the father of the house. Osina, and don't want to get there. The father wanna eat on a go very rugged eating in our so, and don't want to get there. Then, so see, everything wire or trust more than and the man more like almost 15. But then we will wire or trust more than anybody. I want you to say, then so when you have no maybe you know, what's a sanusia, Makana, Onya Bonaga, Eba Onya Eba Yawanaga, Webonya Naga, Mana. And again, or say, Leonian Coso, Nahane Lupa, you see, you can name it, Manonia. But let me tell you what thing. My general, Onion documentary, Onion document. Oh, ya kana wadi here. Mmesesi bata. Onye ndu commentary mayebu general na ona response. Onye ndu sai so mayebu share his video. Onye ndu Biafran child. Na Biafran child na response. Onye ndu commentary efe. Nefe na response na hajisike. Onye ndu kura hawo na hajisike. The next person onye ndu kura ofe tokala. Obo mayebu, obo ofe tokala. Or Biafran child, or say her, Nefi, or say how, Jisinike, Nadi name. Manaonian do point Simon Eba. Or they say, Nenonia, Suminonia, Shan Fituya, because Nonia Nepu, name, Onya never there to another dimension, and never gonna go exactly that thing. And my brothers, Ilanya, Igamana, Engineer Simon Eba name. Exactly, because once I made fasting that I go from Psalm 1 to 100 and then go. All after that Psalm I go to do sugar. And come on get sugar. And the woman only the size of and I will pass and did that. This is why I don't work for what's it look? Nandi Biafra agro stupid. Nina may even no mana. Biafras no against now when I had the movies going and had a sugi. Kita Biafran side. Come to go to my general. My general no name here. Man, I don't know what kata. Obatani obata ni mesa whatever. And the man maka onyendu. Unu mena attack. And na US. Unu mena attack na why you get about onyendu. Osibun. No one right. If we are game, we are going to come to Amamite. Mana, ya nwere onye sef anaghị dị ikwu maka onye ndu ihe ọ na-ekwu maka ọ na-ebe analysis nke ya mana onye ndu wepụtara onye ndu wepụtara Simon Ekpa onye ndu wepụtara Simon Ekpa nye onye ọbụla ọ sị onye ndu si and ihe ahụ is just like warning ọ sị you must listen to onye ndu mere MUST you must listen to him and share his video very very important ị nwere ike iwepụta ya ahụ kwụgharịgoro ihe anyị nwere ike play that video ka ọ m chọta ya ka anyị play ya n'abalị a ka anyị maragoro ka onye ndu si wee kọwara anyị Simon Ekpa
ọ bụkwa iwu bụ this Freeman godi ihe na-adị na ma ọ bụkwa bụ this guy kịtị maka ife na-agwa kịta nọ if you please my people if you follow this video from beginning maybe you have seen you saw where he said that this anybody will come here abagoto he's not very very quiet and calm. Look at him. Because he wanted to give you the truth, right? Now this our brother came with a different fire. Look at him, very very quiet, like one I baptism. This one is just small. Exactly, you are very smart. Everyone can know that something was about to happen to him. Yes, I love Ichike. I say, and Anthony Umede said, my brother, this guy, his name is Ekwensu, so his mentality is Ekwensu.
And the first DSS, the first message on the DOS was to give Simon a slot. Cobia, Naredo Biafra. Maybe you have because all your one in the agent. Mana, the DOS, the head of DOS, how nobody listen to that. Nobody listen to the only what I saw one Kanunta. Only allow someone to give him a slot. And again, they ask him to surrender his platform. Where God na Radio Biafra. But being an intelligent officer, the guy, he did not, of course. Okay, I'm surrender this platform here, but I see no go na Radio Biafra. He had a lot of people, and he kick a lot of people out. Can't kick here. If not, they don't kick here out, and whereby I kick here out, they kick everybody out. I even, I'm not even had an out there. Man, excuse me, just one longer, then I will let you to talk more again. But before we come in, since 3 years, Ebelima, Unya, and we begin evidence, and we begin full evidence, and we begin full evidence. So when you hear this guy, no single one.
Now see his face. This guy, this our brother Freeman, on us appeal pages by pages. No evidence, and I have said this in the past. Then what happened? Biafrans are not sleeping. Everybody, one thing you need to understand, like I said, you can use your name and build a title as much as you want, but when it comes to okay, show me what you have, then I can. Biafra know once they weigh you, they already know what you can offer. I'm telling you gospel truth. It's not about blackmail. We are talking to people with sense. Anyway.
This guy the wrong. Oh, no, when about the wrong. The other day, it's not the only place you go the wrong. Also, I hear this bank go DOS, and then they use the Mazin and the Carlo Ahaya. Nobody even go and now, didn't go and he use one Mazi. Only one and use a Mazi. Mazi in this struggle. Have to go do and others. You know, only one they use a Mazi and the Carlo because he is on the front. And that's why I said when they use it. And when they only want them to you now, then he continue. Only interview Agara. Only is there. Simon is there. ajụrụ Simon Ekpa ajụjụ first ọzagide zacha ajụọ Maazị nke ya Maazị si it's just like or see anyway no nwere ihe oge ukwu ị nwere ike iwepụta this thing now play ya or ka m wepụta ka anyị play ya n'abalị a Maazị Nnamdi Kanu after Simon Ekpa clear the air Maazị Nnamdi Kanu say my God, that now he has nothing to say. It's just like this guy went right inside his mind and stole and still exactly we hear Simon Ekpa in short Simon that you have finished everything only to catch up with only that he never said anything. This is the reason why
now after this point that this brother raised here, see the reply. You see how he navigates. What?
This is the reason why a lot of people look white thank you.
I am somebody that want to go get the house. I am not here. From Ajuju, you evaluate more. That's again. So what did you do before? First of all, let me clarify something. He's working on DOS. Today, I am still with DOS.
Okay.
I want you to get that fact. I am still with DOS. So what I get with DOS? Because DOS is not only the truth. I am castigating the activities of Chika Politician, China Samankipa.
The head of DOS.
Yes, I am castigating them individually, not DOS as a body. I've told you this before. DOS comprises of many people, many departments, both Madam Nyanya and terminated after. So that's what I start now. You see that now, all no do a man or somewhere now 15. Somewhere, say we should listen to him. Menka. Now, let me also ask you again. Also Simon going to see should go and follow. Also Simon, yes or no? Even the yes or no?
Yes.
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 Okay, hold on, because I'm not going to bring the video now. I will bring the video do this thing now. Okay, now I want to detail the play the video but we see yes.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
Then
I recommend them they are doing a good job. I listen to it. I told you singing that that they are doing a good job. I will follow Simon and share his video. Very important.
One thing that he refused to understand, like I said, whether he said go and follow, whether he called say go and follow PM, go and follow Dr. Damages, go and follow Chi Dewanya, go and follow anybody. The Afran that you are telling to go and follow, they also need to check their brain. They will examine you before they follow you. So after saying go and follow, what about the work and activities of those people that he mentioned? Are they what they are following? So it's not as if that everybody follow anybody that PM might kind of say go and follow. They will go to your platform for that moment to see what they're doing. And nonsense. That particular Biafra will not listen to you. I know some people that followed my page after several months. They are watching my video. They watch my video, but they will not subscribe. You know why? They are waiting to know if I am actually saying what they want to hear, or maybe what I'm saying is true or not. That's normal. So that he tell you that he say go and follow. You can't use that to blame anybody. Their fans also know what they want. They have made a choice. And that choice has nothing to do with anything that you are saying here now. Okay? But like I said, even you that is talking to, I know a lady in US that we normally talk about Biafra. And she says that she told him that she don't like but you don't like PM. I said why? I told her that PM is this thing happened immediately after the kidnap of Mas Namadagan. He said that he's trying to fashion the DOS. I said no. Have you asked yourself why DOS are not doing what Biafrans want? You say it cannot be like that because you must take it easy. Then the kidnappers on the can, you don't just expect them to come out and create more problem. I told her, do you know that in 2015 when the kidnappers on the can, have you asked yourself what happened? Who released Master on the can? Do you think that is a Joffo that is Master on the can? The answer is no. That people, did something happened before the then government decided to negotiate by releasing him. And that those things is what Niger Delta's military wing, what they did, hastening the release of Master Magana then. She said even like that, but who is Samonekba? He just joined. That's another thing. He just joined. You that if it is by joining, Wazirike had been dead before Master Magana. So why are you not waiting for Wazirike to pilot it more? So that because he had been dead shouting for Biafra, right? So why are you switching to Mazen Namorika instead of Wazirike? So PM is not taking Biafrans away from Mazen Namorika. He's not doing that. If you think that he's doing that, you think that way because you are lying to yourself and want to lie to Biafra because you don't want your income to be disturbed. Happy you may I see you, my sister. Good. You said good question. Thank you. I don't know. I don't even know that you are here watching. Anthony Merge, this is the type of the people that surround Mazen Namorika is that is why Mazen is going round and round. That's another point there. My brother who followed this Nwekwensu is this who follows this Nwekwensu is jealous and person like him now. You know what the issue of this Ekwensu, these are people that believe that Ekwensu is a good spirit in Igbo land. I don't want to question him on that. That's his personal belief. That's his own choice. You understand? So whether he believe or not, the only thing, like I said, his problem is money. If PM today, if there's nothing like fundraising at all, they will not, but they will say Samuel is doing a very good job, doing a great job, because there's no money, or money is still going on their way. Master Prophet have said it in the past that the only problem he have with the PM, he should call Kanunta to work with Kanunta with Nene, Madam Nene, because from Nene, we're going to bata in our water. People need to. I don't want people to put Mazen in problem with Biafrans, but the way they are pushing, maybe.
This language now was
I've raised it. What you said that not so sign what we should go and follow.
And share his video, very important. Yes.
And share his video accordingly. No, what's
very important?
That is bringing a new dimension in our school.
Exactly.
I want you to underline this your statement today because tomorrow or next, I will bring a video. Everyone here to see that we should follow these people. They are doing a great work. And I also bring a video where we mention their names. That one aside. Now, you could go about a man over 15. Can you repeat that your question again? Because after I can't say what I go.
No? Yes.
Yeah.
As in all instances with question. Now, in a family, take an example, like in a family, what I go, then the man when like almost 15. And almost 15 now. No. Mana osi ofonya, of course, I say had a win on ya. So when on ya, never on ya kun. Because then I got him on a more about because only do mana here game. That's why you just say I am coming.
Don't take my time. Now that man, but that song up to for bear. See you follow him over there.
Yes.
Okay. That song that man trust according to you. Oh, we can see that no man from only came no instruction from that man anymore. From every man. Yes or no? Yes or no? What happened? Yes or no?
Yes, with the reason. Yes, with the reason.
We're so deep, idea.
And then you don't know the reason why. You will teach him the reason why.
No. When is the man why? Because you can see that man, get it. That man for other children. Where's here? Then this Mr. B. Then Many was women, where can I let him tell? So more than 3 months attached, okay, with this thing. So I'm not going to get my answer. No, with listen. No. So where to go now? What's up now? That man can let him tell. Where's the others should follow this particular person? That one, we can you see that the man is also from that man, see so that should obey him. He said no. So
yes, with reason. Yes, with reason.
Okay, now let me give you the benefit. Give me the list again because thank
you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The reason what we're going out because all in the hero there are Buria and we didn't run. But I say Nampaye say Naya Gazile Naya Resident Naya Muslim mini. Just like DOS Birasai, William Dose, was sit at home. William Dose, was in car. Simon, Omayan, Oman and Paya will keep this thing because Paya Trust and not Trust and Paya. Wesina, young Wakino, and no, you know, I said, Nampamsi from there. Yage because no one Paya because Naya from Mobile Paya Honor. This is the only reason why we say, Nayan will he anything no only to confront inside Dungeon because all the Antiana Garcia and Puno say one day now Puno say since Onion do one inside that place. The only thing I know from Onion do I am here is because of you people I am here. Now people see and amen. And all one the next one will come to Tabara. Jordan go even Josan go then say you now he's go from a man in a man in a user and instances where Oyendu. Oh, yeah, will buy now. Oh, yeah, will buy now. What you know? No, give it a idea. You know, okay.
He tried when kisses, he can't go through again. Anyway, I'm just getting fed up of this guy, to be honest. You know, I like people with that can make sense, you understand? This, for example, you don't need this guy our brother Freeman to tell you everything. You can use your common sense to understand what he's talking about. He said a man, he gave you an illustration that a man have a child and somebody, arrest the father and the children. Yeah, you expect the children to fold hand and all that. If you don't know that he was talking about Mazanagano and PM, then why are you giving the answer the way you are giving it? And then he come back and tell you that there's a reason why he must not take instruction from the man, being the father, because he's in the hands of the enemy. Like, oh, as Oyendu is today. And this guy said, oh, you're not mentioning Oyendu, why don't you continue using the man? I mean, it make sense at all. You already know who he's talking about.
Okay, thank you. So now, because of it's not non-chair, let's go about this man because we will be about that man. Can you face the reality? Because this now only can do DSS. So that means someone will not take instruction from Onyendu Maz and Nande. So now, all that the same Onyendu could open a court. Let's go again. Sanction must do this. Oh yes, no, because I can do DSS. Because oh yes, no. Not DSS is there to say this. That means Maz and Nande can who the leader. They are somewhere. And that somewhere there is a 10 days not take instruction. Ebono. Obo that naga na mwana na agadia. Mwana na agadia. Obo na yana agadia. Anya na agadia obo na agadia.
Before you ask the question, my brother, you see one thing, Kanunta will come out and tell you that DSS are dropping ear. Whenever they're telling us anything, they mount a device. They don't allow anybody to use phone, no writing materials. This is what the lawyers, what they came out and told us many times, and Kanunta confirmed that. And you are here telling us that Nayan Age work on Ageba, and it's not as if the only person give that Mazanagano message you're talking about is your leader, Kanunta. That's what we want to try to lure to people here. Kanunta. So that because have you asked yourself what is the banter between Kanunta and the Jofo? They did not start fighting. Remember, these people are 5 and 6 before. What happened? Ego, nothing more.
Listen, when I'm saying
another place.
When they get when I'm saying something, don't interrupt me. When you interrupt, that's why when you're saying something, I give you a chance to say something. You know?
Okay.
So, Onyendu, no, somewhere.
This is the
message is coming out.
This is to dodge this question, though. Watch out.
Now, if we know about Radio Biafra, to give you a slot, then
did he answer that question now? Who is going to that place? Everyone I gave her. Someone ask you, what good money I gave her? One man like him, they put man and interrupt. Man like, then the guy is okay. Continue. He gave you a chance to answer. Then he's trying to bring another topic.
You guys, I want to believe that Onyendu got that message. That Onyendu said that we should give me a slot.
Kanunta said so.
I'm coming. Listen, I'm coming.
Because all resemble him. What is difficult to understand about this? When somebody says something, you already know that this kind of thing will come out from, and what he said is not against the struggle. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this video here.
That message from Onyendu. Then when it come other way around, it's not from Onyendu.
Like which one?
When it come that message, it's Adlo came from Moneba. If not obey it.
But like which one? Like getting Onyendu Kola.
Okay, listen.
Okay.
On 20 the year 2020.
Sit at home, Maya.
December 15, there was a memo Onyendu released out that DOS should stay away from activities of Simon Eba.
Okay.
That memo, Simon share here, will share everywhere because he's favor him, not favor here. Unlike that statement. So when Onyendu wouldn't care like that. No, I know
like which one?
No,
Okay.
listen. No,
I mean Onyendu now. In which one Onyendu? Let's have Simon.
Okay, Ganti. When I say this, I bring evidence.
Exactly.
Onyendu Galalo in Marco. Now Simon Eba to go on his platform and announce that Sitasol is cancelled. And Simon Eba, this one kind of it was on background before he come on media. And Simon Eba said, okay, no need evidence to that. At the end of the day, I put a little note from Martin Nandigan to Simon Eba. Did Simon obey it? Yes or no?
Okay. Can we go one thing?
No, yes or no?
He did not obey it because what Onyendu? Yes. If for that thank you. Listen, the very first time opposite at home, Butara, DOS, Sina, Onyendu say, was sit at home. That night, Simon Ibaburia, through Simon Ibaburia, Onyendu say, was sit at home. Biafrans, on Monday, Biafrans was say, Biafrans take a hunting. Biafrans take a hunting. Biafrans may sit at home Monday, observe. Runa Bali that night, Simon Ibaburia, Wesipa, but now Onyendu say, was sit at home. And then Onyona, Ujo, then, Naya name, Echentuala, Mwahuka, even, and when Onyendu Google about autopilot. Simon used that long.
My brother, you are doing a very good job. But the thing is this: he says that that Samanagba PM always choose what favor him and leave the one that did not favor him. And our brother here asked him which of them favor him. He ended up mentioning sit at home. So, what is the benefit of sit at home to Samanagba? Like his personal business about it. When these people are saying something, I feel like they don't even hear themselves. If you say that he choose what he want to believe, that he don't want to listen to anything at all, what is it that he's gaining from sitting at home? How is that his personal benefit? How does it benefit? How does it benefit? How can you say that it benefits him? Because I don't see anything that he's gaining from me sitting at home. Personal benefit. I'm talking about personal benefit. Nothing. It's for betterment of Biafrans. And as a leader, you don't need to accept everything because you're a leader. There's something that there's something that you may like, but because of the people that you are leading, you will not accept it. You understand? There are many things that come to his way that he refused to accept because of the people. If you want, we can mention you just a few of them, because I know that the Nigerian government have approached him many times for negotiation. He can also take money. Even the jailer have approached him to negotiate to eat money, that he will help him and do this and do that. All these tactics we know. Like I said, all this thing, everything you are talking about, you know, when he said that he don't choose what he choose what he want, I know that that what he want to say is sit at home. Forget about the one that circulating. Remember circulating. What is that memo now? Did anybody obey it? So what are you talking about? As if that memo, PM shared it to let Biafra know the hatred in the minds of these people, not to seek for any help from anybody. For Biafrans to know the people that are telling you that he's a Berema. That's the essence of sharing that video, sharing that memo. And mind you, PM will gain nothing in broadcasting in Radio Biafra. In fact, it is even is God at work, because I don't think PM broadcasting on Radio Biafra would have done us good. I'm just telling the truth, because that media was corrupt, and a decent person going there we stand that person, to be honest with you. I really thank God they refused, because had it been that PM joined them, all this that is happening now wouldn't have come up at all. Nigerian government would have been waxing like never before. So that is it. And we are not going to further the video. Please, the completion of the video is on our platform. You can, if you want to watch it to the end, because it's quite late now, so we need to sleep. And this is we have been here for 1 hour 33 minutes. Stay counting. So we are going to end it now. The video is quite long, like I said. Is the total video is 1 hour 31 minutes 17 seconds, because you know I am adding my own contribution. We have played only 32 out of 1 hour something minutes, so we still have more 1 hour to go on this video. So there's no point, you know, bringing all of them at once. You've picked the point and to make it clear that these people, the agenda, his agenda is he's protesting about the money, nothing more. It's all about the money. He wants money. That's the only thing that he's fighting for. So Aloy Chike said passing sis is not passing sense. Exactly, my brother Clement said this Freeman is doing good. He's doing good. Thank you guys that have joined me in this one, and I really appreciate you. Happy man, you are the only person holding this banner here. I don't know where others have been. I have not seen many people these 2 days, but everything being equal, we are going to be live tomorrow. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Happy weekend to you, and sleep well. See you again tomorrow. We are going to be back again tomorrow. Have a wonderful. Before you go, please don't forget to like the video, and if you are going to watch the video later, subscribe and like the video as well. Thank you so much. We are going somewhere. God bless you.